Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Adelowo Oluwatosin, an active MMM participant from Lagos, Nigeria. I'll be doing a brief presentation on MMM. I'll be talking about its ideology, rules, and benefits. What is MMM? MMM is an acronym for Mavrodi Mondial Movement. It is a community of mutual financial help founded by Sergei Mavrodi. It's a community of people helping each other. MMM is not a bank. It's not a company. It's not a high-yield investment program. It's not a financial investment. It's not a multinational marketing scheme or an online business. MMM does not collect your money. As a matter of fact, MMM has no central account into which participants pay their money. So there is no way MMM can steal your money. MMM is a global mutual financial aid system. It helps every member of the community financially. It helps every participant to become financially free. Now I want you to pay attention to the fact that all the activities of participants in MMM is by willful donation. People give out their spare money out of their own goodwill to another participant. You are not forced to pledge your property or to enter into any contract. It's very simple. You have spare money you don't need now. You give it to someone that needs it. And later on, when you need your money, you request to get help. And you even get reward for providing help to a member of the community. The mission and goal of MMM. MMM seeks to educate people about the modern unfair financial system. When you look at all the financial institutions we have, the bank, the insurance companies, the pension fund companies, they are all grossly unfair. Taking the bank as a case study. Now let's assume Mr. A, B, C, and D all go to the bank to deposit their money. Let's say they deposit like 1 million naira. And later on, Mr. F needs money and goes to that same bank to get a loan. It is the same money that Mr. A, B, C, and D have deposited previously that the bank still gives to Mr. F as a loan. And the bank charges Mr. F a whooping percentage of up to 21%. Whereas Mr. A, B, C, and D that provided the fund that the bank used as a loan to Mr. F do not get a lot of interest. They only get, say, 3% interest per annum on their deposit. Whereas the bank charges the person, Mr. F that came to get the loan, 21%. Now tell me, what do you call this if not gross unfairness? All other financial systems also use the same method used by the bank. MMM also seeks to promote good relation to one another by willingly helping each other to become financially free. That is, it promotes good relationship between the participants of MMM in which they willingly help each other to become financially free. MMM also seeks to build honesty and trust among participants of the community. Lastly, And most importantly, MMM seeks to fight against the unfair and unjust modern financial system. Hence the slogan, "Together we change the world." How does MMM work? I mentioned it earlier that MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help. Now they do this on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, there are no lenders, no debtors, no boss, no owner, no slave, no master. All we have in MMM are ordinary participants helping each other. A participant asks for help, another participant provides the help. Very simple. Now, I want you to pay attention to the fact that there is no central account where all the money goes to. This is very important. There is no central account. There is no probability of MMM stealing your money. So you can be rest assured that your money is safe. Also, you should note that it takes some days to be matched. Say plus or minus 30 days to be matched. Once you declare willingness to provide help. For instance, if a participant declares his willingness to provide help today, he doesn't have to pay the money today. He still has to be patient. He has to wait to be matched with someone that is another participant that is going to pay to. But immediately you declare your willingness to provide help, you are credited with Mavro equivalent to the help you pledged to provide. Mavro is the internal currency used in MMM system, and your Mavro begins to grow immediately at 1% per day. That is from the moment you pledged to provide help. Despite the fact that your money is still in your purse or is still in your bank or wherever you kept it, it has started growing at the rate of 1% daily and 30% per month. Rules of MMM. What are the rules of MMM? Firstly, do not have multiple accounts. This is very important. All participants are encouraged to have just one account. Of course, you can provide help as many times as you want on that same account, but you should not go ahead and open another account. It is against the rules of MMM, and the penalty is that all accounts will be permanently blocked and you will be banned. The second rule: do not share email or bank details with other members. That is, your email, your bank details should only be peculiar to one account in MMM. The penalty for breaching this rule is that you will all be blocked from getting help until you give proof of your identity. So probably if you want to open an account for a friend that doesn't have an email, the best thing for you to do is to open an email for your friend rather than using your own email to register for your friend, because you will all be blocked from getting help until you give proof of your identity if you do that. Rule number 3: do not delay in paying for your order. Once you are matched to pay someone, there is a deadline, which is 48 hours during the week and 96 hours during the weekend. Within this time frame, you are expected to fulfill your order. If at the expiration of the 48 or 96 hours you still have not paid, the penalty is that you will be blocked. Rule number 4: do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. The penalty is that your get help request will be delayed for nothing less than 14 days. This is actually a security measure put in place by MMM to guard against the activities of hackers. Whenever a banking detail or password is altered, the assumption is that hackers have hacked into your account, and in order to protect your funds, in order to prevent your money from being stolen, your GH orders, your GH request will not be matched until you take the necessary steps to get you out of moratorium. Moratorium simply means your get help request will not be matched. That is, it will not be matched with someone that will pay to you. Whenever you request to get help, you will not be matched with someone that is to pay into your account. Rule number 5: do not click on the I refuse to make payments button for more than once a month. The penalty is that you will be blocked. Of course, why should you refuse to make payments? We are advised to use our spare money to participate. So whenever you provide help, the assumption is that you already have spare money set aside, the money you don't need now. So whenever you are matched, it is expected you pay the money as early as possible. So if you keep on clicking on I refuse to make payment, the penalty is that you will be blocked. Rule number 6: do not make deposits and fail to attach proof of payment. The penalty also is that you will be blocked. The only way the system recognizes your payment, the only way to communicate to the system that you have actually paid, that you have fulfilled your order, is by attaching a proof of payment. If you fail to attach it, it is assumed that you have not made any payment, so you will be blocked. The next rule: do not allow your family member to provide help more than you. If they have more than the amount you have provided, let them do it through your personal office or tell them to register through your guidance link. The penalty for breaching this rule is that you won't get the referral bonus. Rule number 9: always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH. That is, after you request to get help, you get help, you have to write a letter of happiness. The maximum days to write it after your GH is 3 days. If after 3 days you refuse to write your letter of happiness, you will be blocked. What are the benefits of MMM? In MMM, there are lots of benefits. When you join the community as a first timer, you could get registration bonuses from $20 to $100 as a gift, depending on the amount of help you provided. Now, it is important you note this, that it is not everyone that registers that gets the bonus. It is only those that registered and have contributed their money, that is those that have provided help, that are entitled to get this bonus, this registration bonus. Now, when you provide help from $50 to $499, gives you $20 bonus. This bonus is freezed for 2 weeks. That is, you cannot take out the money until 2 weeks. Also, you get $50 bonus if you contribute from $500 to $299 to $2,999. You get your $50 bonus. But this $50 will be frozen for a month. This means you cannot take it out until after a month. And also, you are not expected to take out the money you contributed that entitled you to get the $50 bonus. However, if for any reason you wish to take out the money, you will lose the $50 bonus. It will be cancelled. That is, if you take out the money earlier than 30 days, your $50 bonus will be cancelled. Same thing applies to the $100 bonus. You are entitled to get $100 bonus if you contribute $3,000 and above. It is also frozen for a month. Now, this is the most important bonus that all participants get. You get a current growth of 30% per month. That is, if you provide help in the sum of, say, 100,000 naira, you get 100,000 naira mavro. That is to be converted into 100,000 mavro, and it will grow at the rate of 1% per day. So after 30 days, if you request to get help, you will not only get the 100,000 naira you contributed, you will also get an additional 30,000 naira on it, which is a 30% increase. So altogether, you will be able to request for 130,000 naira, which will be paid into your account. We also have referral bonuses of 10%. Referral bonuses are bonuses given to you because you invited others to join the community. Whenever anyone you invite to join the community provides help, you get 10% of the help provided. Now, for the initial contribution, you get 10%. Then for subsequent contributions, you get 10% on the new money coming into the community from the person you invited. Also, we have guidance bonuses. These ones are for guiders. Guiders are those that they are the participants that have gone through the guidance school and have graduated from this school. We also have bonus for testimonial videos. In addition to writing a letter of happiness, if you create a testimonial video of your good experience in you will be given 5% of the sum of help you received if your face shows in the video. If your face does not show in the video, you will get 3%. Now, it should be noted that you could even get as high as 10% for high quality video that shows your face. Also, there are other programs like charity programs held by MMM. Join us today and let's change our world together. Long live MMM Global, long live MMM Nigeria, long live Sage Mavrodi. Together we change the world. Thank you.